apartment situated on the top floor and in corner position, and something that just screams New York, New York. Hi, I'm Trent Vivian, and let's go take a look at apartment 216 at 14 McNamara Way in Cottesloe. Walking through the front door, you get a sense of what life is going to be like fairly quickly. Being a studio apartment, all the zones are connected except for the bathroom, which has been renovated and hides behind this floor-to-ceiling wardrobe door. The bed has been smartly raised to provide storage underneath, and the kitchen is all open plan plus renovated, and there is even a leafy green balcony for when you want to get some fresh air. It's lock up and leave, and it's in Cottesloe, which means all the lifestyle benefits like the beach, the transport and the shops are all close by. It's just perfect for anyone looking to break into this amazing suburb, or an investor, as an apartment like this is not going to struggle to rent out. I look forward to showing you through shortly.